Hello mga mi, we're finally here in Malaysia. Siyempre naka-sunglasses tayo kasi namumugto pa yung mata natin. Hindi ako binigyan ng breakfast. Nakakaasar. May oras pa eh. Hindi ako nilapitan para dun sa breakfast. Doyo. Si Jowa nabigyan, tas ako hindi. Unfair. Anyway, pakita sa inyo yung mga scenario dito. Ilang tumbling na lang, nasa Pinas na ako. Pero, siyempre, ibang usapan yon. Dito muna tayo. Kailangan natin magpahinga. Kailangan natin itong pahinga na to sa dami ng stress ng buhay natin. Ooh, more interesting stuff. So, may biglang segregation na nangyari. Nahiwalay ako kay Jowa kasi yung passport na may signage doon for long-term na access. So, nakahiwalay ako ngayon. Para naman kami lalabasan. So, hanapin ko na lang siya kung asan siya. Anong diferensya? Ganun din. Pareho lang yung daanan. Okay, we're in the immigration now. Gonna shut off again. See you later!
A few moments later.
We got our bags. Just waiting for Jowa to finish fixing his things. And we're off. We're gonna go out now and explore na natin yung Malaysia. Mabilis na naman yun sa immigration kasi member ang Philippines sa Southeast Asia Association. So, yun, mabilis lang naman. And then, ngayon nahanapin namin kung saan kami i-exit. Siyempre, first time ko dito, hindi ko alam kung saan ako i-exit. So, mabilis nga lang. Pinatakan naman tayo. Kinonfirm lang yung MDAC, which is the digital card. Parang digital immigration card na gagawin mo within 3 days prior your flight here. Keluar means way out. So yun, tapos pinakita mo yun, kasama yung passport mo, then all good. Tinanong ka lang kung hanggang kailan ka lang mag-stay. And then, yun na. We're going out to airport now. And hindi pa kami makapag-check-in sa room namin up until mga 3 p.m. So hindi namin alam kung saan lalagay kami. Ewan ko, nag-usap kami kagabi during the flight. So tignan natin. So we're gonna exit now and I'll see you guys later.
Later.
So, nakalabas na tayo. Wait lang. And, na-notice ko, itong labas, alam mo yung parang sa metro station ng World Trade Center. Ganun yung itsura nung paglabas mo ng baggage counter. Kasi yun, no, may lift na halos kamukha ng lift natin sa metro station sa World Trade. Yun ang first impression ko. Tapos yung second, bakit nagiging common sa mga pana na huminto sa gitna ng exit? E di syempre, nag-iipon-ipon yung mga tao sa likuran nila pag nakatayo lang sila doon at nakaharang. Hindi ko talaga mawari. Parang common na nilang gawin yon anywhere in the world. Kasi ginagawa rin nila sa Dubai yun eh. So, pati dito ginagawa din nila. So, I think it's common for them to do that. Na maghuhuntahan sila kung nasaan may exit or yung alam mo yung they're blocking the way. So, yun na napansin ko. Mukhang okay naman dito. Tapos ang weird lang. So, di ba nga paglabas namin, para may segregation na specific passport. So, dun sa signage, wala yung passport ko, pero nandun yung passport ni Jowa. E di, naghiwalay kami, knowing na baka mas mabilis ako sa kanya, may priority and all. So, sabi niya sa akin, pag exit niya dun, may e-gate daw kung saan dapat sa scan lang yung passport, tapos makalabas na. Hindi daw gumagana. Useless din. Pumunta pa rin siya din sa mismong immigration para matatakan siya. Na lang, ang funny, sinisegregate nila pero hindi naman nag-work properly. Yun pa lang naman ang ating mga first observation as of our arrival. Pasensya, ang dami ko pang energy kasi kulang pa tayo sa tulog. At yung breakfast pala, dapat in-order ko na siya yung pagkatanong pa lang sa akin kagabi bago kami umalis ng airport. So, my mistake, hindi ko sinabi. Sabi ko nga kay Jowa, sana tinuro ko na lang lahat ng pagkain kasi sinerve na lang sa akin. Pero in fairness naman yung food natin kagabi, ganda ng presentation, ang sarap. Kudos sa food ng Etihad, galing ng catering services ninyo. And then, nakalimutan daw ni Jowa na kumuha ng cash para may pambili kami ng ticket pasakay ng train. Yun lang muna yung mga ganap ngayon. At least, nauubos yung oras namin kasi mamayang hapon pa kami makakapag-check-in dun sa Airbnb namin kung saan kami magsistay. Basta ang daming hanas nung pero maganda yung location, sobrang ganda. So makikita niyo mamaya kung anong itsura nun.
A few moments later.
Hello mga miso! Tumambay muna kami dito sa airport kasi nga mamaya pang hapon kami pwede makapasok doon sa Airbnb namin. Tapos dumaan na lang kami parang sa small convenience store dito. Pangalan niya is Express, parang 7-Eleven. Tapos nakakita kami ng coffee. So we're trying it now. Si Jowa, kinuha niya is hazelnut coffee. Tapos ako itong beng. I'm not showing you, don't worry. I don't want you to make famous.
It's okay.
No. And then you're gonna get share for my vlogs? No?
No, I'm just gonna add your channel. Just flag it. You got my face in there. Taking the video down.
You heard it from here. See how nice he is? Really, really nice.
Talking to
Yeah, talking to myself. Diba? Baliw. Alam kayo ng jowang ganito, baliw din. Para magbaliwang kayo.
10 seconds later.
Nasubukan niyang kontakin yung friend niya kung pwedeng i-meet na namin. So, the dilemma here is dahil 3 p.m. pa kami pwede mag-check-in dun sa tutuluyan namin, nag-uubos kami ng oras, 9:33 a.m. Malaysia time. So, imagine yung oras, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 hours. Tapos, meet na lang sana namin yung friend niya. So, ang options is, gagamit kami ng tren or magta-taxi. Kung iisipin niyo, mas okay yung taxi kasi ubos oras. Kaso, isang oras kami nakaupo. Dubai problem, hindi tayo sanay na nakaupo ng matagal. So, kailangan mabilisan ng kilos. X na ngayon yung pagta-taxi na isang oras ang antayan. So, magti-train na lang kami since, well, it's my first time here. So, the train would be a good idea. So, yun. So, siguro similar din sa MRT natin sa Pilipinas. And let's see. And he said na parang 28 minutes lang nasa city center na kami. And then from there, we'll just grab a taxi going to his friend's house to deliver some stuff. Yun lang ang mga plano natin. So, tikman na muna natin tong kape na to, si Tebeng. Kung anong lasa. How was the hazelnut?
It's okay.
It's like milk tea.
Yeah. What did you expect? You can tell from the color.
I don't know, because it's mentioned there Tebeng. So, anyway. The only one that is missing is a boba. So, lasa sang tea. Milk tea. Yun lang. Oh well. At least I'm not hyper. Dun sa ininom natin na drink. Hindi siya coffee. Milk tea siya. Kayanin natin hanggang mamaya. Dahil malamang pag nag-check-in na tayo sa tutuluyan natin, plakda tayo.
A few minutes later.
So mga mi, pinababa na tayo ni Jowa dito sa train station. So, antayin na lang natin siya dito. Ito yung, wow, map. Hindi mo siya masyadong complicated. Napaka-basic lang. So, oh, there's one from Batok Caves. Oh, interesting. So, this is where we are going. KL Central. And then, where are we? We are here. Ito. Yan. So, pupunta tayo dyan. And KL Central. Okay. So, ano ba yan? Hindi pa siya tapos mag-announce. Nakakaloka. So, ang gagawin namin is maghahanap kami ng hotel na malapit lang. Magpapahinga kami kasi yung energy namin sobrang low na. Ay, ayaw pa tumahimik magsalita. Oy! Nag-vlog ako dito. Ano naman? Makius. Ay, sus talaga. Ayaw pa tumigil. Wait lang mamaya. Okay, ayan. Ano ba? Tapos ka na magsalita. Okay. So yun na nga, maghahanap kami ng hotel. Doon muna kami magsistay kasi yung energy namin bumababa na sobrang pagod. So kailangan namin magpahinga. Tapos mamaya na lang gabi kami mag-check-in din sa Airbnb namin para may energy at makapag-move around and check out yung nightlife ng Malaysia siguro. So yun lang muna. Anong sa naman ng ano? Kung nagpa-vlog ako. See you later.
346 minutes later.
Sa mga may nandito na tayo sa train ngayon, antayin na lang natin siyang umandar. And it looks fancy. It looks like some trains in Japan when you watch a video. Because we don't have like this in the Philippines.
Manila, there's no metro in Manila?
Yeah, we do have, but it's, you know, you need to sit on the side and then
Yeah.
it's a mass transit.
Yeah, that's the metro. This is a train. It's not a metro. That's right.
Yan, alis na tayo. Nagsarado na yung pinto. Here we go! We're now heading to KL Central. And from there, we're gonna be start like homeless people. Wala pa kaming tutulugan. Doon pa lang kami maghahanap. So let's see how it looks like outside. And we're gonna start right now.
More moments later.
And we finally reached the train station. So we're gonna go down on the opposite side, not on this side. Sorry yan, naghahalo na yung English at Tagalog natin kasi alam niyo na kasama natin si Joa Bells. So kailangan mabilisan lang. Ayan, sorry, kukunin na yung mga luggage namin kasi niwan namin siya dito sa rack. So we're here. And I'm stuck. You want to take the lift? Lift. Okay, so we're taking the lift. So, kailangan nyo yung ticket para makalabas. So, huwag nyo itatapon yung ticket or do something. Kasi yun na lang yung itatap mo dito. Kailangan yung resibo mo naka-ready ka. So, itatap lang natin yung QR code. And we're gonna go outside. Oh, they have the card. Ang kinuha pala namin is yung one-time thing lang. Thank you. Ayan, si Kuya na yung nag-tap ng ating paper kasi nakita niya na nag-vlog tayo. So, ito yung itsura no train station. Tada! So, we're here. Ah, looks nice. Interesting. Nice. Oh, there's a big LSE. There's a big LSE here. The air is flowing. It's a nice train station. First time I've seen. So now we're gonna move secret recipe. Oh. And there's Starbucks here. Fairness. No, there's Starbucks and then there's this secret recipe. But it's still closed. Okay, that's it. Oh, there's McDonald's. There is... No, I'm just telling you that there's some like food stalls here. And then I can see 7-Eleven. Huh? SIM cards? Okay. So, we're gonna get a SIM card from the shop. Hopefully, we'll get a good deal. So, this is the shop. We can just connect it on one of my phone.
Yeah.
You use that as a hotspot? Okay. So, that's fine. We're gonna get one SIM. Tapos, isasaksak na lang natin siya dun sa spare phone ko. And then, yun yung gagamitin naming hotspot phone. So, kailangan palagi siya naka-charge para dire-diretso yung connectivity natin. So, basically, yung binigay niya sa atin na promo is that 50 gig daw yung 4G, tapos 50 gig yung 5G. So, hindi ko alam pa paano nila binibreakdown yun. Pero for 53 ringgit yon. So, may bayad kasi yung SIM card na 10 ringgit tapos 43 yung mismong services. So, physical SIM siya, hindi siya eSIM. So, i-connect na lang natin siya dun sa isang phone ko. Buti na lang dala ko yung spare phone ko at yun yung gagamitin naming router for our trip. Again, I guess it's enough for both of us. 50 gig hindi naman unless mag-video surfing kami para lang maubos yun. Kasi valid yung services for 30 days. Ilang araw lang kami dito tapos, next. Saan ako nasasabihin ko ano yung mangyayari next. So, yun na yun.
Much later.
So, we're moving again. Now we're looking for food. What is this meal station? Oh, food. This train station is really good. Ang dami mong options sa pwede makainan, no? So, Yan. Or dito sa kabila, may meal station. Ooh, food! Ito yung menu nila, oh.
Barbecue chicken rice. I'm definitely gonna get this.
I'll get the sweet and sour chicken and let's see the taste. So yan, bibili lang kami ng food. Actually, siya bibili ng food.
You drink lemon iced tea?
Yeah, that's fine. It's not a combo meal or...
I'm not sure.
No, I think it's just a food. Is it okay if I leave my stuff here? Anyway, it's just near. Is it okay? Sa mga kabayan yung mga nasa tapat ko. Siguro tourist. Oh, the phone is there. So, tayo lang natin sila matapos mag-order. Tapos mag-order na rin tayo. So, we're here in I Love You na restaurant.
Yes, no?
Hello, are the food offered there available?
Which one?
Okay, one barbecue chicken.
Garlic chicken rice.
Yes. Yes. And then one sweet and sour chicken rice.
Sorry?
This one.
Sweet sour rice.
Yes.
Sweet sour
This
rice.
one. And then one of this one. And then do you have lemon iced tea?
No, no.
Oh, okay. Is it cold or hot?
You want hot, cold?
No, I think it's okay. Card please.
Ah, okay. One.
First, the one I'm here.
So may in-order tayo na
हमने चालीस
youtiao or karo kaya. So, kasi in-order siya ng mga kabayan na sa tapat ko kanina. Thank you. So, in-order ko siya. Wala man natin kung anong lasa nito. Pero, fried to eh. Masisita naman tayo ni Joanne. So, I think this is
Save the
popular.
password.
Yeah, it's fine.
1234 1234.
Which? For the Wi-Fi access? Okay. They don't have lemon iced tea. They're offering me like a soya bean drink.
No.
And I was like, no, because I think this is
What did
popular.
you get? A spreadsheet?
That's a soy. It says there it's like soya, but it's fried, so I'm just a little bit scared. Though. They don't have any soda. It's just a soya bean and then the coffee. So that's why I opted to like not order anything.
These are the best places. That's why you never go to McDonald's. Here in Asia.
I just mentioned to you McDonald's because that's the one I saw.
I'm just saying normally because my friends, the Saudis, when they come here, they want to go McDonald's.
Is that cocoa jam? Okay, so we ordered this. I think this is the soy. And then cocoa jam to eh. Cocoa jam yan. Cocoa jam yan. Ang sarap. Ang problema lang dito fried eh. But it's good. So, simulan na ng ating paglalakad papunta dun sa hotel na pagstayan namin sandali. Again, this train station is really, really good. Plus, marami kang options ng makakainan. You just need to move around. And then, syempre, in all locations, may mga exits kung saan ka pupunta. Actually, looks like an airport as well. Pero, siguro dahil sa mga changes and the COVID thing, there are some stuff that they need to, adjust and all. So, sobrang ganda ng train station. Tignan mo naman yung paligid. Oh. Diba? Ayaw pang sumunod ng camera ko. Oh. Ayan. So, as usual, si Jowa Bells, toilet muna siya bago kami maglakad. Gusto ko sana sumama pero doon na lang siguro sa hotel kung saan kami magche-check-in. Doon na lang ako magsi-CR, ligo, number 2, doon na natin tapusin. Talagang kailangan lang namin mahanap kung saan kami matutulog at kailangan kong maligo na at mag-change outfit. Kasi, lagkit na ako sa katawan ko sa pawis. And syempre, ang dami pa natin bit-bit, kilos tayo ng kilos. So, para makadiskarte na tayo. Pero more likely, pagdating namin doon, freshen up, tapos tulog saglit, tapos mamayang gabi siguro mag-move na kami sa Airbnb kung saan kami talaga nakabook.
Later.
So, hello mga mi. It's already 6:10 Kuala Lumpur time. So, we're on the move to the Airbnb. Pero for the meantime, ba't wala pa rin yung kinuha namin na Grab? black na Myvi na sasakyan. Sabi 7 minutes, parang more than 7 minutes at wala pa rin siya. Tapos nagsastart pang umambon. Nakakatuwa. Umaambon na dito. So much fun! Pero wala pa rin. Sabi 7 minutes, wala pa rin yung driver namin. QRS 299. Black na sasakyan. Wala akong makitang black na sasakyan. Saan dadaan? So it's 7 minutes.
What's the car number?
QRS 9299. Wala pa rin yung sasakyan pero itong street na to sobrang busy. Kaninang umaga lang nang dumating, pala umaga, ng mga lunchtime dumating kami, hindi busy. Tapos ngayon busy na. So, we're finally in the car. Pupunta na kami ng aming Airbnb ngayon. Madilim lang.
What is this car? What's the brand of this car?
This car we in Malaysia call it as a God car. Myvi. So it's a super car in Malaysia.
It's really nice.
Can fly to the sky, can go to the sea.
Can we try it now?
Because got many case they drive this car and go crash to the tree, run into the sea.
Oh, so okay. Now I'm starting to get scared. Okay, let's not try it today. Maybe next time.
That's why we call it God car. And many youngsters they like to modify this car. Make the car very super like the Fast and Furious.
Machika yung Oh yeah, machika yung driver namin. Actually, when we were here earlier, it's still quiet, but now, since it's past 5, I guess people are like outside now. So yeah, I'll just keep you posted. Ang itim ko, editing na lang to para maliwanag tayo. Okay, guys, later. We are now finally here sa Airbnb place namin. So we're now finally here. Just show you how it looks like. Ito yung entrance ng ating Airbnb. So hopefully maganda yung ating maging experience dito. Ayan, so inaantay na lang namin dumating dito yung mag-a-assist sa amin to check-in sa aming Airbnb na kanina pa busit na busit si Jowa. Kasi naman, ang gulo-gulo-gulo kausap talaga. So, yun na, malaman natin kung ano mangyayari mamaya. And you can hear the rain. So, sobrang ganda. Nakakatawa lang kasi umuulan. Alam naman sa panahon natin ngayon dito sa panahon pala sa Dubai, mga ganitong moment hindi maulan, so sobrang init. So yan siya. Ito yung labas niya, and as you can see, it's raining. So this is the view. Ang sarap, ang lamig, nakakatawa. Ang bongga ng building, in fairness. Magaling talaga pumili si Jowa. Talagang yung kausap lang namin sa Airbnb yung nakakabwisit talaga.
A few moments later.
Pasok na kami. Andito na si Ateng. Talagang yung babae yung pinalaban niya dito. Kasi matatalakan talaga sila ni Jowa. Okay. So mga mi, we're finally settled in dito sa ating Airbnb house. So far, okay naman siya. Marami lang comment si Jowa kasi visit talaga siya. Given naman yon. But on the other hand, actually today is Malaysia's National Day. So it's August 31st. And that's why the place that we've been to are very festive. Kaya ang daming flag of Malaysia kasi nga National Day nila today. So anyway, it's raining but we're gonna go out in a little while. Naliligo na lang si Jowa ngayon and then we'll try to figure out where we're going. Siyempre, dinner na rin kami sa labas. Okay, wait lang. Toiletry kit daw niya. Where is it? On your luggage or the bag?
On the bed. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. My baby. He's really a baby. So, yun. Yung toilet kasi andito lang katabi nung parang master's bedroom na setup namin. So, ayusin ko lang kayo. Ay! Umangat. Ayan. So, yun na nga. National Day today. And then, kahit nandito tayo sa Malaysia, nunod pa rin tayo ng volleyball. So, naglalaro ang Creamline versus Signal. It's a semifinals game. First set pa lang. And I think late sila nag-start. Ano oras ba? 7 o'clock game siguro sila. Kasi ang nauna naglaro is PLDT saka Akari, if I'm not mistaken. So, just correct me on the comments below. So, yun lang. So, nagsa-start ng dumilim dito. And we'll see some stuff later on. Sorry, na-adjust ko kayo kasi ewan ko, itong camera na to pag nag-start na ako mag-record, bigla nag-zoom in, lalo kung lumalaki. So, yun na lang muna ang update natin for now. Nakita nyo naman na yung room. And nakakatawa kasi meron silang LEC. Ito and siya so, on mo lang yan kahit walang AC. Kasi hindi man masyado mainit compared to Dubai or even in Saudi. On mo lang yan, malamig na. So, yan lang muna. Siguro pag nainitan kami, mag-switch na tayo sa AC. But for now, hindi muna. Ay, nakaitok pa ako. Hopefully, mamaya pagdating natin is makatulog tayo ng maayos. Anyway, it's Saturday. Tomorrow will be another day for us to roam around. So, let's see. So, yun lang for now, mga mi, and just stay put for new entries on this vlog.